Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to use your Google account to log in to Pinterest on your PC, especially with the latest updates. This feature makes accessing your Pinterest account easier and more secure. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and go to the Pinterest website at pinterest.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents settings, and clicking it will take you to various options for managing your account. After clicking on the gear icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will direct you to a new page where you can customize your Pinterest experience. Now look for the Security section within the Settings menu. It's usually found on the left sidebar. In the Security section, you'll see an option that says, Use your Google account to log in. Click on this option to enable it. This step is crucial as it allows you to link your Google account directly with Pinterest, streamlining your login process in the future. Once you enable this feature, you will be prompted to choose your Google account. If you're already logged into multiple Google accounts, select the one you wish to use for Pinterest. After selecting your account, confirm this step by following any additional prompts that may appear. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Google account to Pinterest. Next time you want to log in, simply click on the Continue with Google button on the Pinterest login page. This will save you time and eliminate the hassle of remembering another password. Using your Google account not only simplifies logging in, but also enhances security through Google's robust authentication measures. So go ahead and enjoy a seamless Pinterest experience filled with inspiration and creativity. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Pinterest effectively. Happy pinning!